Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are showing some clips of dresses of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The clothing choices in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are diverse, reflecting both the local culture and the needs of residents and visitors in a tropical setting. The emphasis is on comfort and adaptability to the warm and humid weather conditions prevalent in that region. Nicobarese traditional attire. Papoi. The papoi is a traditional dress commonly worn by Nicobarese women. It is a wrap-around skirt made from woven materials and is adorned with intricate designs. The designs often feature natural motifs and patterns unique to the Nicobar Islands. The papoi is not only a piece of clothing but also a cultural symbol representing the Nicobarese heritage. Onge attire. The Onge tribe, one of the original inhabitants of the Andaman Islands, traditionally wore minimal clothing made from plant materials. Their attire considered by waistcloths and accessories crafted from leaves and fibers found in their surroundings. However, with changing times and interactions with the outside world, the traditional attire of the Onge people may be evolved. For special occasions and festivals, locals may wear traditional Indian attire like saris for women and kurta pajamas or dhoti for men. These outfits are adorned with colorful and intricate patterns. Wedding attire. Traditional Indian wedding attire in the Andaman and Nicobar Island is chosen with great care and it often reflects the cultural and regional diversity of India. The choice of attire can also vary depending on the specific customs and traditions of the families involved in the wedding ceremony. Brides often wear elaborate saris or lehengas while grooms wear sherwanis or suits. While there may not be a single famous dress associated with the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the clothing reflects practicality and diversity of the region. Modest attire is often appreciated by expected when visiting places of worship or engaging with indigenous populations to ensure a harmonious and respectful experience.